Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to become a knight in Royal Match. So, you might have seen players talking about becoming a knight in Royal Match, but here's the thing there is no actual transformation or new character mode. You won't suddenly turn into a medieval knight or gain combat abilities. The knight is purely a title, kind of like a status badge that shows off your performance during events. The main way to earn it is through the team tournament. Based on how well you and your team perform, you can be awarded titles like Knight or even Grand Knight. These titles reflect your contribution and your team's ranking, and they're visible for the duration of that tournament. Once the event resets, so the titles. So while you won't get a playable Knight character, joining the team tournament is still a fun way to earn recognition, show off your progress, and feel like you're part of a heroic team. It's more about prestige than powers, but still a cool reward to aim for. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.